Awesome.
Hey guys, we are in Toronto today, so I thought we'd do a little vlog because Dee and I are about to go up the CN Tower, and if you can't tell, it is cold today, so I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but you can see all the way up there, somewhere there's little red dots, and that's where people are right now, and we're about to be there in about 30 minutes or so. That is gonna be us on the CN Tower, so I'm gonna take you along on that journey and show you what it's all about, and let's just hope we don't pee our pants because it's probably gonna happen, so let's get going.
Might even be higher than yesterday. Come on out here, folks, check it out. Now, in case you're wondering, you all are currently standing 356 meters above the ground. That is 1,168 feet, or 116 building stories. Not too bad, right? Those toes over. Okay. Awesome job there. Awesome.
Turn it up.
This is the highest external hands-free walk around a building in the entire world. The sun's coming out to say congratulations. Good work, I'm proud of you folks. We gotta say goodbye, all right? Take a look up, say goodbye to Skypod.
We just finished the edge walk and we actually completed it. We did not pee our pants like I thought I was going to, or throw up. I thought maybe at one point I was going to, but we did not. But we leaned over the edge, backwards, front, everything. It was honestly so crazy. Yeah, and it's the best views of Toronto. And they said it is the highest, what was it, the external hands-free walk in the world. Yeah, so we completed that and we're so proud of ourselves. So definitely if you're ever in Toronto, make sure you check it out because it's an unbelievable experience.
Yeah.